we're diving into the essential process of creating a chart of accounts, or COA, a fundamental tool for any business's financial organization. A well-structured COA provides a clear way to record, manage, and analyze financial transactions. Let's explore the steps to construct one effectively. Firstly, understand your business's operations. This involves identifying the core activities that your business undertakes. Knowing this will help you categorize your financial data appropriately. Start by listing the types of transactions you'll regularly encounter, such as income, expenses, assets, liabilities, and equity. Next, define your categories. A typical chart of accounts is broken down into major categories, which are further divided into subcategories. The major categories include assets, liabilities, equity, income, and expenses. Under each major category, list specific accounts. For instance, under assets, you might have accounts like cash, accounts receivable, and inventory. Now, assign a numbering system. A logical and simple numbering system is crucial for easy reference. It's typical to use 3 or 4-digit numbers, with each major category starting with a distinct digit to simplify categorization. For example, use 1000 series for assets, 2000 for liabilities, and so on. Once you've established categories and numbers, tailor your COA to suit your business size and complexity. Small businesses might have fewer categories, while larger enterprises may require more detailed accounts to capture data intricacies. Regularly review and update your chart of accounts. As your business evolves, your COA should reflect these changes. This might involve adding new accounts or adjusting existing ones to better match business activities. Also, ensure compliance with accounting standards relevant to your location and industry. This ensures your COA not only meets internal needs but also adheres to external reporting requirements. Lastly, train your accounting staff. A COA is only as effective as the people using it. Make sure your team understands the coding system, how to record transactions correctly, and how to use the COA for generating financial statements. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating an efficient and effective chart of accounts that supports your business's financial health.